Welcome back to MAURO'S Films, and today I am out again because Polarpro sent me this cinema series gradient ND filters for the MAVIC Air. And yeah, I went out to test them. They are the first manufacturer actually making gradient ND filters for also smaller drones like the MAVIC Air. So let me explain a little how they work. Typically the sky is about 2 to 3 stops brighter than the ground. So if you expose for the sky, you will underexpose the ground. These filters will help you balance the exposure, allowing you to pull more information out of every scene. Each frame is laser etched with horizon guides, making it easy to line up each shot. So if you look closer to the filters, you can clearly see the difference. In the upper part, the stop is higher than the down section, and in the middle there is a soft transition gradient. Let's watch a comparison between a non-gradient ND filter and a gradient one. For horizon level flights, where you have half sky and half ground, they will help you to achieve a better exposure value and rendering in the picture. Remember that they are meant for more or less horizon level flights, so bird-eye views and other type of flights will be better to other variants of the Polarpro line ND filters. They are made from a glass element with 8 elements of optical coating on each side. So for horizon level flights, these ND filters are a must if you want to get the most out of your footage. If you want to check them out, there is also a link in the description with the official Polarpro webpage to know more. This was all for today. And yeah, if you notice, I am getting out most of the time when I'm filming, and this is because I am making a lot of wedding edits and I just want to take some fresh air and hang out with you guys. I'm making also a new webpage that will be only for wedding films. And yeah, I'm thinking also to change my name from MAURO'S Films to my personal name, Mauro Litzel, and build a personal brand on YouTube. So if you notice my name instead of MAURO'S Film, it's still me, with more ideas and a little more freedom. Thanks for watching, thumbs up if you liked, subscribe if you really enjoyed, and see ya the next time.